Hi, this is Jamie of Jamie's Faces on behalf of facepaintingtips.com with this winged heart designed for Valentine's Day. So I'm starting out here with a 1/2 inch flat brush and some light pink from Paradise. And I'm just pressing and flicking the brush on both sides to create a heart. Now I'm placing that same brush just below the lash line, pressing and flicking up on the side to create eyeshadow, a dramatic eyeshadow here with the light pink. Next, I've loaded up the same 1/2 inch brush with white, and I'm just placing it down at an angle and pulling toward the center point, which is right in between her eyebrows. 5 on each side to create the white wings. Now I've taken a number 6 round brush and I'm loaded up with light blue by Diamond Effects, and I'm placing an arch on either side of the heart. And then we're going to go in and add a second layer of smaller, softer feathers right on top of the white ones. And then we're going to go ahead and fill in that area between the heart and the wings, join everything up, and the same thing on the other side. Now I've loaded up a number 4 round brush with black, and starting up at the top, thin to thick to thin, I'm outlining the heart. And then just using the very, very thinnest possible line here to get around the wings. And same thing on the other side. And now I'm adding some teardrops here around the eyes, 5 teardrops pulling toward the corner of the eye. And now adding some black swirls and curls on both sides, just coming right out of that largest teardrop. Now I've picked up my number 2 round brush and loaded up with white and just adding highlights on the heart and on the teardrops on both sides. And I only try this on children that I can tell are very calm and very still, but just little dots near the eye. It's lots of fun. And some dots on the sides, random size and shape. Adding 3 more teardrops up here by the heart. And here at the center point, and pulling up and down, right and left to create a small little shiny spot. And got some dark pink glitter on the heart and some nice light blue glitter on the wings, and the dark pink just on the edge of the eye. And the other side. And now I'm adding some adhesive jewels, little pink one on the heart, and a couple pink ones by the side of the eye. And there we have it. That's a winged heart Valentine design. Thanks for watching. I hope you can use this design or create one of your own similar to it. Happy Valentine's Day, and special thanks to my model Cassidy.